Let's make a blueberry sauce. You need about 1.5 cups of blueberries. These are frozen, or you can use fresh. 1 tablespoon of lemon, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and that's it. So we're going to just mix all the ingredients except for the cornstarch into a saucepan. So it's boiling now. If you want, take your spoon and just mash some of them. You can use this and just mash. We're going to add the cornstarch. Don't add the cornstarch powder directly to something that's hot because then it will just clump up. So you want to add a bit of water first. It's already probably too thick, so I'm going to add a bit more water. However, if you like it this thick, don't add water. Once it cools, you can pour it into a mason jar and it stays in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. So I actually made this because I'm making pancakes today, so stay tuned.